Hello, hello everyone. Dione Irwin here with Dione & Co. Real Estate Group, the Real Estate District. And how's everybody liking the rain? Isn't it great? Anyway, a rainy day coming to you. I'm in Olds, Alberta today. So coming to you live on a rainy day at this gorgeous new listing that we have. And if you're watching live, make sure you give me a little wave so I can know you're here. Or I can't say hi if you don't tell me you're here. So, a really rare opportunity to get into one of these properties. So, 3655 Sunrise Crescent. That's the right address, isn't it? 3655? 5633. Oh, 5633. Peter's here. Peter's here doing photos of the measures. Hey, Peter.
How are you?
How's everybody doing? Peter says hi to everyone. Everybody says hi back. So yeah, Peter and I have both been all over the countryside today. I know that's normal for Peter and quite normal for me, but a bit more normal for him to be on the daily all over. So 3655 Sunrise Crescent, Olds. And it's this really beautiful community that these properties there's very rarely come up. Sunrise? I thought it has it Sunrise. Sunrise Crescent. I don't know. It's on I put it on the, you should be able to see it on the caption. I did the correct address on there. So this is a bungalow with an attached garage. It's fully renovated. I don't know if I've never seen one this nice. They really do not come up often, and especially not renovated like this. So fully renovated in 2025. It's got a new roof in 2021. As you can see, we've got pot lights. We've got new blinds. We've got a new bathroom. We've got quartz countertops in this huge kitchen. And it's a 50 plus, so it's going to be nice and quiet here. We are close to the hospital. I know people do like it in Olds because it has a hospital. Some of these smaller towns out here have hospitals, and it's great. Olds has a great hospital as well. So I think it's about 918 square feet, 2 bedroom, 1 bath bungalow, and literally you don't have to do any steps. So if that's an issue for you, you park your car and there's no steps even up to the property. It's just all flat. So that's hard to find as well. I got my shoes here. And Debbie has been working on this one too. Debbie Sheen. Got awesome agents on my team, and they do such a great job with our sellers and buyers. We get work done quick. So we just met these people a couple days ago. We're already getting this on the market for them really fast. Okay. Debbie, if I'm missing something, will you please pipe up, chime in here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the outside. Just got my car in the driveway. Sorry about that, but it does have a nice little area for flowers. There's no condo fees here either. So there's your garage. Here's our entry. It is right after school and work right now, so the road is a bit busier, but honestly, this road is very quiet. I grew up in Olds. I know the area. I've been around here, and that road is really quiet. After school, it's always busy, but anyway, I just want to show you how nice it is when you first walk in. When I first got here today, since I haven't seen it before, I walked in and I said, wow, isn't it beautiful? It's so open and bright. It's cozy. They've got new flooring, new paint. It's just a very neutral. It's the finishings everybody wants. White walls, the warm flooring, quartz countertop. This is the same quartz I have in my house. It's very nice. Good choice. The white, off-white cabinets, and even the doors. I really love the color of the doors they did in here. They're just this nice neutral color. It's very nice. You don't see it that often. But they put all new hardware in. Got new appliances. Look at that beautiful tree right by your sink. Pot lights. And there's your garage right there. So let me show you. It's a good size. They're just using a little bit for... Oh, sorry. I was like, where is he? Sorry. So here's the garage. And it's a good size. It's quite a tall door. And you could fit in my SUV would fit in there. So anyway, there's that. Okay. And we've got everything's on one floor. There's no basement. It's got a crawl space for storage underneath. So it's all right here. There's your laundry. We've got our renovated bathroom. So nice. Got a nice big tub. All right. Two-tone cabinets are so nice. I know Debbie's saying that. Hi, Kara. Are you watching? Kara knows the streets of Olds too. We grew up east of Olds on a farm. So our mom worked at the hospital. Here's the bedroom. This is a queen. Anyway, it's a big bedroom. You could put a king bed in here if you want. You could easily put a king bed. It's got the nice covered patio outside here. You got your lawn area. Got a little shed there and a garden. I got some rhubarb growing. So yes, so clean. I think this one's going to go fast. It's really hard to find these. Okay, here's your second bedroom. They have it with a Murphy bed in here, which I think is a great idea. It is your access, but I think for people staying every now and then, it's a great spot for guests just to sleep here. Once again, your covered patio. All right. What else? Hi, Sherry. And oh, Kara, you are here. Isn't this beautiful? It's very beautiful. So I just want to make sure I didn't forget anything. No condo fees, 50 plus. Everything's on the main floor, no stairs. And it's just a nice open concept with lots. It's an end unit as well, which is really nice because the ones that aren't the end units, they're quite dark. So nice new blinds. Anyway, it's going to be on the market hopefully tomorrow. I know Peter has a lot of editing to do, but that's normal every day. So hopefully tomorrow in the afternoon maybe or evening we'll get this on the market. And so if you want to see it, just a sec. Hi, Deb. How's it going? Debbie and Deb, that's how we'll keep you guys apart. Okay, brand new shed. Yes, I mentioned the shed. So that there's a new shed. It's just easy to walk to. A lot of amenities as well from here if you like walking. There's parks, a lot of pathways. There's churches around here if you need church. There's churches here too. Olds is a great town and lots of really friendly people, great neighbors. There's a Walmart here. It's got lots of big stores, but also lots of good character stores. I've got a lot of friends that have businesses here, so yes, it's a great town. Anyway, that's about it. I think I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna let you guys know the price is $349,999. So for fully renovated, move-in ready, 50 plus bungalow, I think it's a great price. Yes, Deb, show it to your in-laws. I think it will go fast. So if you want to see it, make sure you message us, and we'll be happy to get you through it. One of my agents, Debbie, or Sherry, will be happy to show it to you. And anyway, hopefully I'll have a great day and try to stay dry. Hopefully all your houses are staying dry. This one is perfectly dry, so that's good to know. Anyway, take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.